Good morning. I need some help, please.
Good morning. Of course. What can I do for you today?
I have a terrible headache and I feel very tired. Do you have something for that?
Yes, we have several options. How long have you had this headache?
Since yesterday evening, I couldn't sleep well because of the pain.
I'm sorry to hear that. I recommend these tablets. They work well for headaches and they help you sleep better too.
That sounds good. How many should I take?
Take one tablet every 6 hours. Don't take more than 4 tablets in 24 hours.
Okay, I understand. Do I need to take them with food?
It's better to take them after eating something. This way they won't hurt your stomach.
Perfect. How much do they cost?
These tablets cost $8.50 for a pack of 20.
That's reasonable. I'll take them. Oh, and I also need something for my dry skin.
We have a very good moisturizing cream. Many customers really like it.
Does it work quickly?
Yes, you should see improvement in 2 to 3 days. Apply it twice daily, morning and evening.
Great, I'll take that too. How much is the cream?
The cream is $12, so that's $20.50 total for both items.
Here's $25. Do you have a bag?
Here's your change, $4.50. And yes, here's a bag for you.
Thank you. One more question. When should I come back if the headache doesn't go away?
If you still have pain after 3 days, please see your doctor. Also, come back if you have any side effects.
Understood. Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. I hope you feel better soon. Have a nice day.
Thank you, you too. Goodbye.
Good morning. Please come in and have a seat. How can I help you today?
Good morning, doctor. I have a really bad headache. It's been bothering me for 2 days now.
I'm sorry to hear that. Can you tell me where exactly your head hurts?
It's mostly on the right side of my head, above my eye. Sometimes it moves to my forehead, too.
I see. How would you describe the pain? Is it sharp, dull, or throbbing?
It's like someone is hitting my head with a hammer. The pain comes and goes in waves.
That sounds very uncomfortable. On a scale of 1 to 10, how bad is the pain?
Right now, it's about a 7. Yesterday, it was even worse, maybe a 9.
When did this headache first start? Do you remember what you were doing?
It started on Monday morning when I woke up. I thought it would go away, but it didn't.
Have you taken any medicine for the pain?
Yes, I took some painkillers from the pharmacy, but they only helped for a few hours.
Are you experiencing any other symptoms, nausea, sensitivity to light, or vision problems?
Actually, yes. Bright lights really bother me, and I feel a bit sick to my stomach.
Have you been under any stress lately, or have you changed your sleeping habits?
Well, I've been working extra hours this week, and I haven't been sleeping well.
That could definitely be a factor. How many hours of sleep are you getting?
Only about 4 or 5 hours a night. I know that's not enough.
You're right, that's not nearly enough. Have you been drinking enough water?
Probably not. I've been drinking a lot of coffee instead of water because I'm so tired.
Based on what you've told me, this sounds like a tension headache, possibly triggered by stress and lack of sleep.
Is that serious? Do I need to worry about it?
Tension headaches are common and usually not dangerous, but we should treat them properly.
What should I do to make it better?
First, try to get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. Also, drink more water and less coffee.
Okay, I can do that. Should I take any specific medicine?
I'll prescribe something stronger for the pain. Take it twice a day with food. If the headache doesn't improve in a week, come back to see me.
Thank you so much, doctor. I really appreciate your help.
Hi there. I don't think we've met. I'm Lisa from the marketing department.
Nice to meet you, Lisa. I'm David. I just started working here yesterday in the accounting department.
Welcome to the company. How are you finding everything so far?
Thank you. Everyone has been really friendly. I'm still learning where everything is, though.
That's completely normal. It took me a few weeks to find my way around when I started.
That's good to know. Could you tell me where the cafeteria is? I haven't had lunch yet.
Sure, it's on the second floor, right next to the conference rooms. The food is actually pretty good.
Great. What time do people usually take their lunch break around here?
Most people go between 12 and 1 p.m. I usually go around 12:30 to avoid the crowds.
That's a smart idea. Is there a microwave in the cafeteria if I bring food from home?
Yes, there are 2 microwaves and a small fridge where you can store your lunch.
Perfect. Where did you work before coming here, if you don't mind me asking?
I worked at a small advertising agency downtown for about 3 years. What about you?
I was at a bank for 5 years, but I wanted to try something different in a bigger company.
That's exciting. How do you like the office environment here compared to the bank?
It's much more relaxed here. People seem to really enjoy their jobs, which is nice to see.
Yes, the company culture is great. We have team events pretty regularly, and the management is very supportive.
That sounds wonderful. Are there any company events coming up that I should know about?
Actually, yes. There's a welcome party for new employees next Friday evening in the main conference room.
Oh, that's perfect timing. Will there be food and drinks?
Yes, they always provide pizza and soft drinks. It's a good chance to meet people from different departments.
I'm definitely looking forward to that. Thanks for telling me about it.
You're welcome. If you have any other questions about the office, feel free to ask me anytime.
I really appreciate that, Lisa. It's nice to know I have someone to talk to if I need help.
Of course. Well, I should get back to work now, but I'll see you around. Enjoy your lunch. Good afternoon. Welcome to Budget Car Rental. How can I help you today?
Hi, I need to rent a car for the weekend. Do you have anything available?
Yes, we do. Do you have a reservation, or would you like to book one now?
I don't have a reservation. I need the car from today until Sunday. Is that possible?
Absolutely. What type of car are you looking for? Something small, medium, or large?
I'm traveling alone, so a small car would be fine. What's the cheapest option?
Our economy car is $45 per day. It's a Toyota Yaris, very good on gas.
That sounds perfect. What does the total cost include?
The daily rate includes basic insurance. Gas is not included, and you'll return it with the same fuel level.
Okay, that makes sense. Do I need to pay extra for insurance?
The basic coverage is included, but I recommend our full protection plan for an extra $15 per day.
I think the basic insurance will be okay. What documents do you need from me?
I'll need your driver's license, a credit card, and a passport or ID card.
Here's my license and credit card. Is my license from Canada okay to use here?
Yes, Canadian licenses are accepted. How old are you? You need to be at least 21 to rent.
I'm 28, so that should be fine. Where do I pick up the car?
The car is in parking lot B, level 2. I'll give you a map and the keys.
That's easy to find. How does the return process work?
You bring the car back to the same location. Before you go, let me explain the details.
What time do I need to return it on Sunday? Is there a specific deadline?
You can return it anytime before midnight on Sunday. After that, we charge for an extra day.
Perfect. Is there a gas station near the airport where I can fill up before returning?
Yes, there's a Shell station just 2 minutes from here. I'll mark it on your map.
Great. One last question. What if I have problems with the car during the weekend?
Here's our 24-hour emergency number. Call us if you have any issues and we'll help you right away.
Thank you so much. You've been very helpful. I'm excited to explore the city.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful trip and drive safely.
Hi, Tom. How are you doing? I haven't seen you in a while.
Oh, hi, Anna. I'm doing well, thanks. Yes, it's been quite busy at work lately.
I can imagine. I saw your car wasn't in the driveway for several days last week.
You're right. I had to travel to Chicago for a business conference. How have you been?
I've been good, thank you. Just keeping busy with the garden and the kids.
Your garden looks amazing this year. Those roses by your front door are beautiful.
Thank you so much. I've been working on it every weekend. Do you have any gardening plans?
Actually, yes. I'm thinking about planting some vegetables in the backyard. Any advice?
Tomatoes and peppers are really easy to grow, and they taste so much better than store-bought ones.
That's a great idea. Where do you usually buy your plants and seeds?
There's a nice garden center on Main Street, just past the post office. They have good prices.
Perfect. I'll check it out this weekend. By the way, how are your kids doing?
They're doing well. Lucy just started high school, and Mark is in his last year of middle school.
Wow, time flies. I remember when they were just little kids playing in your front yard.
I know, right? They grow up so fast. How's your mom doing? I heard she was visiting.
She's doing much better now. Thanks for asking. She stayed with us for 2 weeks last month.
That's wonderful. It's always nice to have family visit. Speaking of which, we're having a barbecue next Saturday.
That sounds fun. Are you inviting the whole neighborhood?
Yes, just a casual get-together in our backyard. You're welcome to join us around 6 p.m.
I'd love to come. Can I bring anything? Maybe some drinks or dessert?
That would be great. Some drinks would be perfect. Nothing fancy, just whatever you like.
Excellent. I'm looking forward to it. It'll be nice to meet more of our neighbors.
Absolutely. It's going to be a lot of fun. Well, I should get going. I need to pick up groceries.
Same here. I have errands to run. Thanks for the invitation, and I'll see you Saturday.
Hello, excuse me.
Hello, how can I help you today?
I need a ticket to London, please.
One way or return?
Return, please.
When would you like to travel?
I'd like to leave this afternoon.
And when will you come back?
Tomorrow evening.
Okay, so one return ticket today to London, return tomorrow evening.
Yes, that's correct.
Do you prefer standard or first class?
Standard class, please.
No problem. Let me check the price.
Sure, thank you.
The return ticket costs £45.
That's fine. Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course. Please insert your card here.
Okay, done.
Great. Here is your ticket and receipt.
Thank you very much. Which platform is the train from?
The next train to London leaves from platform 3 at 2:15 p.m.
Perfect. I'll go there now.
Have a safe trip.